What's up, fam? And welcome to the first cooking series of the DBE cooking tutorials. All right, how y'all doing? How y'all been? You got your boy D in the house, and I figured to start things off, to make it really easy for those that aren't really, cook savvy in the kitchen. I was gonna start this series off with doing some basic fried chicken, y'all. Now, keep in mind that this fried chicken is probably going to be the best fried chicken that you ever had. I'm telling you. It's very, very flavorful. It's got a lot of flavor in it, man. And I'm sure that you'll be able to enjoy it with you and your family. In these cooking tutorials on how to, cook this, how to cook that, I will make it as easy as possible for you to prepare these meals. Yeah, I can get technical. I could do everything, with an ingredient at a time. But sometimes, when you have those people that aren't that cook savvy, it becomes confusing, frustrating, and they just lose interest. So I promise you, I will make it as easy as possible for you to prepare these meals and for them to be successful. All right. So today, fried chicken in the house. I got 5 drumsticks here. And I'm going to be using some egg wash. I don't know if you can see those. I'm going to crack those eggs. And I've already pre-seasoned my flour, y'all. All right. Okay, so let's get started, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and make my egg wash here. I got 3 large eggs, brown eggs. Use whatever eggs you want, you're comfortable with. Right. Let's go ahead and give it a whisk. Now I know some of you, you don't use egg wash or whatever, but this is my way of doing my fried chicken. Everybody has their own different methods, and this is mine. It works best for me. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the drumsticks, put it in the egg wash, and then from the egg wash into the seasoned flour, and then I'm gonna put it on this this baking sheet right here, until I'm actually ready to put all of it in the cast iron frying pan. But first, let me take my my temperature here. All right, now, for me, I like bringing my oil up to 375, all right? And then once you put the chicken in, the temperature is automatically gonna start coming down till about 350. So that's where I want it. Okay, but let me check the temperature real quick. Okay, so it's about 360, and that's fine, as long as it's not below 350. Started. Drumstick. Saturated. The flour. I'm telling you, man, y'all really gonna love this. I promise you. When you're putting your flour in your chicken, kind of squeeze it a little bit. That way it sticks to the chicken a little bit more. All right, you see that? Look at that. Shake the excess off. Wow, that looks really, really good. Put it on the pan, let's do another one. And there's no rush with this, y'all. Take your time with it. Shake it off the excess. And there, let's do another one. I like using egg wash. A lot of people like using buttermilk or whatever. You know, whatever you choose, but this is works best for me that I like to use. Excess off. And remember, y'all, for this egg wash, I used about 3 eggs, okay? 3 large eggs. Last one. All right. I would say the chicken is covered very well. Okay. All right, we're gonna move this on out of the way. All right, so when you're placing the chicken in your pan, you always want to place it on the outer edge of the pan, okay? And then work your way in. So we got 5 pieces here. Fill it. Okay. I just filled it up enough. All right. So we're gonna let that cook until it's done, and I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, with the finished process. Okay. All right. So here we have it, fam. My amazing, amazing fried chicken, y'all. Look at that. Wow, look at the color on it. Amazing. Let's give it a taste. Let's go ahead and choose this one. What? Oh my gosh. Juicy. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this fried chicken recipe that I put together for you guys. The best fried chicken you ever had. I promise you. All right, fam. Thank y'all for joining me. and I'll see y'all on the next tutorial, all right? DB Eden, I'm out. Peace.